Best VPNs for Mac in 2024. If you're a Mac user and you're looking for the best VPNs to secure your devices, protect your privacy, and unblock geo-restricted content, then you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 3 VPNs for Mac in 2024, plus 2 runner-up options that are also worth considering. Whether you're concerned about online privacy, streaming your favorite shows, or just getting the best performance out of your VPN, this guide will help you make an informed decision. So let's get started. Let's kick things off with NordVPN, which consistently ranks as one of the best VPNs for Mac. One of the reasons Mac users love NordVPN is because of its sleek and intuitive interface. The NordVPN app is tailor-made to fit the clean and minimalistic aesthetic that Mac users appreciate. The interactive map is not just visually appealing, but also highly functional, allowing you to select servers by clicking on a country. And if maps aren't your thing, then you can easily switch to a list view where countries are neatly organized for quick access, performance, and speed. When it comes to performance, NordVPN is a powerhouse. With thousands of servers spread over 100 countries, it offers extensive coverage that ensures you're never too far from a high-speed server. NordVPN uses its proprietary Nord Linux protocol, which is based on WireGuard, known for its superior speed and security. In my testing, NordVPN consistently retained around 90% of my original internet speed, even when connecting to distant servers. This makes it an excellent choice for HD streaming, gaming, or large file downloads without noticeable lag or buffering. Security features. Security is where NordVPN truly shines. It uses AES 256 encryption, the industry standard, to keep your data safe from prying eyes. Additionally, NordVPN operates on RAM-based servers, meaning that no data is stored long-term, which significantly enhances security. In the unlikely event that a server is compromised, there's no data to retrieve. The kill switch is another critical feature of NordVPN, ensuring that if your VPN connection drops, that your internet connection will be instantly severed to prevent any accidental data leaks. Unique features. NordVPN also comes with a suite of unique features that make it a standout option. The threat protection feature acts like a mini antivirus, blocking ads, malware, and trackers even when you're not connected to the VPN. MeshNet is another cool feature of NordVPN, allowing encrypted remote access to other devices, which is perfect for setting up a secure network between your Mac and other devices. The Dark Web Monitor keeps an eye out for your personal information in dark web forums, notifying you if your data is at risk. Pricing and value. Considering all these features, NordVPN offers excellent value for its money. Its long-term pricing is quite affordable, especially when you use promotional links or discount codes like we have down in the description below. Plus, you can secure up to 6 devices with a single account, making it a great choice for families or users with multiple devices. Overall, NordVPN is a well-rounded VPN that offers top-notch security, speed, and features at a reasonable price. And if you want to get the best deal on NordVPN, be sure to click the link down in the description. That'll bring you to this page here where you can get a mega discount plus 4 extra months. All you need to do to secure the deal is click on this button right here, Get the Deal. From here, you can choose from one of NordVPN's 3 different plans: the basic plan, the standard plan, and the ultimate plan. You can also choose your term length, whether that be 2 years, 1 year, or 1 month plan. But for the best savings, we encourage you to go for the 1 year or the 2-year plan. And all of these options here on the 2-year plan are going to come with 4 extra months. Now go ahead and just click on Buy Now. And after you choose your plan, just go ahead and enter your information. And for $94.23, you're going to get 2 years of coverage from NordVPN. And don't forget, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service risk-free. Again, be sure to use our exclusive link down in the description to take advantage of this deal. Next up, we have Surfshark, the best budget VPN for Mac. Surfshark has made a name for itself by offering premium features at an unbeatable price. It's perfect for users who want a high-quality VPN without breaking the bank. Despite its lower price point, Surfshark doesn't skimp on features, making it an excellent value proposition. Unlimited connections. One of Surfshark's standout features is its ability to secure secure an unlimited number of devices with a single subscription. That means you can protect not just your Mac, but all your other devices too, and even share your account with your family and friends. This is particularly useful if you have a lot of devices or want to ensure that everyone in your household is protected. Performance and speed. In terms of performance, Surfshark is no slouch. With over 3,200 servers in over 100 countries, it provides a wide range of connection options. Surfshark uses the WireGuard protocol, known for its excellent speed and security. In my testing, Surfshark delivered similar speeds to NordVPN with minimal drops in connection quality, even when connecting to servers halfway across the globe. This makes it ideal for streaming, online gaming, and general browsing. Security-wise, Surfshark uses the same AES 256 encryption as NordVPN, ensuring that your data remains secure. It also offers a clean web feature, which blocks ads, trackers, and malware, keeping your browsing experience smooth and secure. While it doesn't offer RAM-only servers like NordVPN, Surfshark maintains a strict no-logs policy, meaning that your online activities are never tracked or recorded. Streaming capabilities. When it comes to streaming, Surfshark excels at unblocking a wide range of services, including Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, and more. Its fast servers ensure that you can stream in HD or even 4K without buffering. Plus, Surfshark covers more countries than many other VPNs, making it easier to access content from specific regions. Unique features. Surfshark is also highly customizable, allowing you to tailor the VPN to your needs. For example, you can set the Quick Connect button to automatically connect to a specific server, or use the multi-hop feature, which routes your connection through 2 servers for added security. This level of customization is rare in budget VPNs and adds significant value to Surfshark. Pricing considerations. Surfshark's pricing is one of its biggest selling points. It's significantly cheaper than both NordVPN and ExpressVPN, especially if you opt for a longer-term plan. Even with its low cost, you still get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. If you're looking for a budget-friendly VPN that doesn't compromise on quality, then Surfshark is a fantastic option. Now, if you want to get started with Surfshark, be sure to click the link down in the description where you can get the best price possible as well as 3 months extra. Again, just click the link down in the description, click on Get Surfshark, and from here you can choose your plan, whether that's the Surfshark Starter, Surfshark 1, or Surfshark 1 Plus. You can also choose your plan, whether that's 24 months, 12 months, or 1 month, but again, the longer plan that you choose, the better deal that you're going to get. So let's just go ahead and click on the 24-month plan for Surfshark 1. And at checkout here, you just need to enter in your information, and you're going to go ahead and get the best pricing possible for Surfshark. So for $72.63, you can get 2 full years of VPN protection from Surfshark, which is an incredible deal. And don't forget that they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can go ahead and try the service risk-free. Finally, let's talk about ExpressVPN, which is often considered the gold standard in the VPN industry. ExpressVPN is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a favorite among users who want a hassle-free VPN experience. The app's interface is incredibly user-friendly, with a single button to connect to the fastest available server, making it perfect for beginners. Server network and performance. ExpressVPN boasts a vast server network with over 3,000 servers over 100 countries. This extensive coverage ensures that you can always find a fast and reliable server, no matter where you are. ExpressVPN uses its proprietary lightweight protocol, which is designed to be faster and more secure than traditional VPN protocols. In my testing, ExpressVPN was consistently fast, though not quite as fast as NordVPN or Surfshark. However, its speed is more than sufficient for streaming, gaming, and downloading large files. Security features. When it comes to security, ExpressVPN is top-notch. It uses AES 256 encryption and operates on RAM-only servers, meaning that no data is ever stored. ExpressVPN also has a strict no-logs policy, which has been independently audited to verify its claims. The kill switch and split tunneling features add an extra layer of security, ensuring that your data is always protected. Streaming and bypassing censorship. ExpressVPN is particularly well known for its ability to bypass censorship and access content in restricted regions. Whether you're in a country with strict internet controls or just trying to access another country's Netflix library, ExpressVPN is up to the task. It's also one of the few VPNs that reliably works in countries with heavy censorship like China, making it a go-to choice for travelers. User experience. In terms of user experience, ExpressVPN is incredibly snappy and responsive. expensive. The app launches quickly and connects to servers faster than most competitors, which is particularly noticeable when compared to some other VPNs. This makes it a joy to use, especially if you're in a hurry or just want a seamless experience. Pricing considerations. The only downside to ExpressVPN is its price. It's one of the more expensive VPNs on the market, which might be a drawback for some users. However, for the level of performance, security, and ease of use you get, many users find it worth the investment. Plus, like the other options on this list, ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out with no risk. So if you want to get started with ExpressVPN and get the best deal possible, then be sure to click the link next to ExpressVPN down in the description below. That'll bring you to this page here, and as you can see, you get 3 extra months for free when you sign up for a 12-month plan. Just click on Get ExpressVPN, and from here you can see they have a 1-month plan, a 6-month plan, and a 12-month plan. The 12-month plan is one that you need to select if you want to get the 3 months free, which is the best possible price that you're going to be able to get for ExpressVPN. And as mentioned earlier, ExpressVPN also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out, see if it's for you, and make your decision after 30 days. Runner-up VPNs for Mac in 2024. Moving on to our runner-up options, PureVPN is a solid choice for those who need a reliable VPN with a broad server network. With over 6,500 servers in 78 countries, PureVPN offers a wide range of connection options, ensuring that you can always find a server close to you for optimal performance. Security and privacy. PureVPN takes your security seriously, using AES 256 encryption to protect your data. One of the standout features of PureVPN is its split tunneling capability, which allows you to choose which apps use the VPN connection and which don't. A feature that's particularly useful if you only want certain activities to go through the VPN. PureVPN also has a strict no-logs policy, which has been independently audited to verify its claims. This means that your online activities are not recorded or shared, giving you peace of mind while browsing. Performance and speed. When it comes to speed, PureVPN performs admirably. It might not match the lightning-fast speeds of NordVPN or Surfshark, but it holds its own, especially considering its extensive server network. So whether you're streaming HD content, playing online games, or downloading large files, PureVPN provides a stable and reliable connection. The VPN also supports multiple protocols, including OpenVPN and IPv2, allowing you to choose the best balance between speed and security. Pricing and value. One of the biggest advantages of PureVPN is its pricing. It's more affordable than many other premium VPNs, especially when you take advantage of the long-term plans. With a 31-day money-back guarantee, you can test PureVPN to see if it's right for you. And if you want to get started with a 7-day trial to PureVPN, click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here, and you can click on Get PureVPN. And for only 99 cents, you can go ahead and get a full access 7-day trial to PureVPN. Then after that, it's only $44.95 for a 12-month plan, which is about half the cost of some of the other VPNs we've spoken about today. And they also have that 31-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out, see if it's for you, and make your decision within those 31 days. UltraVPN is another runner-up worth considering, especially for users who prioritize simplicity and ease of use. The UltraVPN app is designed with the user in mind, offering a clean and straightforward interface that even beginners can navigate with ease. The app's layout is intuitive, allowing you to connect to the fastest available server with just one click. It's available on all major platforms, including macOS, making it a versatile option for Mac users. Security is a key focus for UltraVPN, which uses the AES 256 encryption to safeguard your data. UltraVPN also includes essential features like a kill switch, which automatically cuts your internet connection if the VPN drops unexpectedly, ensuring that your data is never exposed. Although UltraVPN doesn't offer the same level of advanced security features as NordVPN or ExpressVPN, for example, it provides solid protection for everyday use, performance, and speed. In terms of speed, UltraVPN is competitive, especially for a VPN that's relatively new on the market. It offers good connection speeds for streaming, browsing, and downloading, though it might not reach the ultra-fast levels of NordVPN or Surfshark. UltraVPN's server network, while smaller than some competitors, is strategically placed in key locations around the world, allowing for reliable performance and low latency. Streaming and unblocking. UltraVPN is a good choice for streaming, offering the ability to unblock popular services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney+. While it doesn't have the extensive server network of ExpressVPN, it performs well enough for most streaming needs. However, if you're looking to unblock a wide range of international content, you might find better consistency with our top picks. Pricing and value. UltraVPN is positioned as an affordable option, making it a great choice for users who want a reliable VPN without spending too much. It's particularly appealing to those new to VPNs thanks to its simple interface and straightforward pricing plans. UltraVPN also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service without any financial risk. And if you want to get the best deal on UltraVPN, click the link down in the description, which brings you to this page here, where as you can see, you can save over 70% on UltraVPN. Just click on the Get the Deal button, which will bring you here, and you can choose between their UltraVPN Plus plan or the regular UltraVPN plan. And for the UltraVPN Plus plan, you can go ahead and see that for only $47.88, you're getting a full year of protection from UltraVPN. Again, don't forget that they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try this out, see if it's for you, and make your decision within those 30 days. Be sure to use the link down in the description to take advantage of this deal. So there you have it, our top 3 VPNs for Mac in 2024, along with 2 solid runner-up options. Now, whether you choose NordVPN, Surfshark, or ExpressVPN, you'll be getting a top-tier service that excels in performance, security, and ease of use. PureVPN and UltraVPN are also excellent choices, especially if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or straightforward. Remember, the best VPN for you will depend on your specific needs, whether it's blazing fast speeds for streaming, strong security features for privacy, or an affordable option for everyday browsing. And with all these VPNs offering money-back guarantees, you can try them out risk-free to see which one suits you best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so you never miss another video from us. Feel free to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. We're always here to help. Now, if you do use any of those links down in the description, they are affiliate links and they do help out the channel at no extra cost to you. And in fact, you're gonna get the best pricing possible by using those links. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video here, and thank you again for watching. See you next time.